Meaning of epidemiologist.
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 Epidemiologist. An epidemiologist is a public health professional who studies the patterns, causes, and effects of diseases in populations. They investigate and track diseases to identify risk factors, develop strategies for prevention and control, and inform public health policy. Epidemiologists use statistical methods to analyze data and understand disease transmission and spread, as well as to evaluate the effectiveness of interventions like vaccines and treatments. Their work contributes to improving health outcomes and reducing the burden of infectious and non-communicable diseases on society.